How to sew a button. Step 1. Thread your needle. 24 inches of thread per button is recommended to hand sew a single button. For strength, pull the thread through the needle, making the length even. Form a knot at the end of the threads. Check out our video on how to tie a knot for hand sewing. Step 2. Form an X. On the back side, pass the needle through the back of the fabric to the front. Then through the front to the back repeatedly until an X shape is formed. Step 3. Use the X as a guide. Position the button on top of the X with an additional needle. Position it on top of the button. This needle helps with tension when creating the shank. Step 4. Pierce through the button. Use the same movement that was used to form the X. Pierce the threaded needle through the back of the fabric and through the first buttonhole. Then over the additional needle and go through the second buttonhole. Step 5. Stabilize the button. Hold the button and additional needle in position for the first passes. After, it should be held by the thread. Continue piercing front to back to front through the buttonholes 6 times. Step 6. Form the shank. Remove the additional needle from the shank, pull the needle through the wrong side of the fabric, and wrap the needle around under the button 6 times. Pull the needle through the fabric to the wrong side. Make 2 knots to secure the thread. Heave the needle between the threads in the back and then hoist it through the loop that was formed to create the knot. Repeat this twice and make sure that the thread has been pulled tightly. Cut off excess thread to complete. Congratulations, you've just sewn on your button.